Hey learners, welcome to Ahmad Coaching and I'm your teacher Dr. Anam. Today we will study about patterns of sex determination. The sex of offspring is determined by particular chromosome. Here the sex of offspring mean that the offspring is going to be male or female. So it is determined by a particular chromosome. Based on this, we have three different types or three different systems. In the first type, we have XOXX type. This system is found in grasshoppers and protein bugs. In this case, the male is XO. It means that the male is heterogametic. Heterogametic means the male is going to produce two types of gametes. Half gametes will have X, while the half gametes they will be nullogametes. Nullogametes mean that they will have O or no chromosomes. Means no chromosome is present there. While the female is XX and it is homogametic. It means that the female is going to produce only one type of gametes and all the types of gametes they are going to have X chromosome. The sex of offspring depends on the kind of sperm that fertilizes the egg. So the male is going to determine the sex of the offsprings. Here we can see that we have here female which has XX chromosomes, while male has X chromosome only because the other chromosomes they are nullo or zero. So when the female is going to produce gametes, they are going to be XX, but when the male will produce the gametes, they will have X and nullogamete. Nullogamete means that there is no chromosome present in this gamete. So when the fertilization will happen, then we will have XX, which is going to be female, and if X is going to fuse with nullogamete, we will have XO, which is going to be a male. Similarly, we have female and we have male. So 50% male and 50% female offsprings will be produced. The next type is XYXX type. This type of system is found in Drosophila, human and other organisms. In this system, the male is XY. XY means that the male is going to be heterogametic. The male is going to produce half gametes with X and half gametes with Y chromosome. While the female is XX, it means that it is going to be homogametic and all the gametes they will have X chromosomes. The sex of the offspring will definitely depend on the male, which type of gamete, male gamete is going to be fused with the female gamete. The sex ratio between male and female is 1:1 or 50-50%. Here we can see that male has XY while the female has XX. When the male is going to produce gametes, one half type of gametes will have X chromosome, while half type of gametes they will have Y chromosome. While the gametes produced by the female will have only X chromosome. So if X chromosome is going to fuse with another X chromosome, we will have XX and the offspring will be female. But if Y is going to fuse with X, then we will have XY, so the offspring will be male. So we will have 50% female and 50% male. The third type of system is ZZZW system. This type of system is found in common birds, butterflies and moths, and this is a reverse of XYXX type system which we just studied. Here in this case the male is ZZ. It means that it is going to produce only one type of gametes or homogametic, which will have only Z chromosomes, while the female is ZW and it is going to produce two types of gametes. Half gametes will have Z chromosomes while the half will have W chromosomes. The sex of the offspring will depend on the female instead of male. The sex ratio in this case is also 1:1. Here we can see we have a male parent having ZZ chromosomes while a female parent having ZW chromosomes. So male is going to produce only one type of gametes, while the female is going to produce two types of gametes, one with Z and one with W. So if Z is going to fuse with Z chromosome gamete, then we will have double Z and the offspring is going to be male. But if Z is going to fuse with W, we will have WZ genotype and that person is going to be female. So these are three different types of patterns of sex determination. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.